immense knowledge. Let's learn together to add insight.
The Sahara Desert is the name of the largest desert in the world. The name Sahara is taken from Arabic, which means desert. The Sahara is located in northern Africa, and is 2.5 million years old. This desert stretches from the Atlantic Ocean to the Red Sea, from the Mediterranean in the north to the Sahel in the south, from Mauritania in the west to Egypt in the east. This desert divides the continent of Africa into North Africa and True Africa. These two parts of the continent are very different, both climatically and culturally. The area of this desert is about 9,200,000 square kilometers. Several thousand years ago, the Sahara was a savanna inhabited by humans. In the 3rd century BC, the climate changed to make the savanna arid. The settlers then moved to the previously swampy banks of the Nile. This is known through several ancient paintings found in several caves in the Sahara. In one of his paintings, there are images of animals that are not usually found there, such as elephants, giraffes, and some grass-eating animals such as horses. Natural conditions mean that no archaeological remains survive in the Sahara apart from inscriptions. Inscriptions found in 2007 indicate that the Sahara was once a trade route in Africa. Average annual rainfall ranges from lowest in the northern and southern fringes of the desert to almost non-existent in the central and eastern parts. The desert's thin northern edge receives more winter clouds and rain due to the arrival of a low-pressure system over the Mediterranean along with the polar opposites. Although it is greatly attenuated by the mountain rain shadow effect, and the average annual rainfall ranges from 100 mm up to 250 mm. For example, Biskra, Algeria, and Ouarzazate, Morocco, are found in this zone. The southern edge of the desert along the border with the Sahel receives summer turbidity and rain due to the arrival of the intertropical pumping zone from the south. An average annual rainfall ranges from 100 mm to 250 mm. For example, Timbuktu, Mali, and Agadez, Niger are found in this zone. The vast central hyperarid core of the desert spans almost unaffected by northern or southern atmospheric depressions, and remains under the influence of the strongest anticyclonic weather regimes. And the average annual rainfall can drop to less than 1 mm. In fact, most of the Sahara receives less than 20 mm. Of the 9 million square kilometers or 3,500,000 square miles of desert land in the Sahara, about 2,800,000 kilometers or 1,100,000 square miles, about 31% of the total area receives an average annual rainfall of 10 millimeters or less, while about 1,500,000 square kilometers or 580,000 square kilometers or about 17% of the total area receives an average of 5 millimeters or less. Annual rainfall is almost non-existent over the vast area, roughly 1 million square kilometers or 390,000 square miles east of the Sahara, which comprises the deserts of Libya, Egypt and Sudan. Orta Zerbo, Kufra, Dakhla, Kirgaya, Farafra, Siwa, Asyut, Sohag, Luxor, Aswan, Abu Simbel, Wadi Halfa, where the long-term average is about 0.5 millimeters per year. Thank you for watching. Hopefully a little information in this video can add to your insight. See you in the next video.